Murahurwanda and the world. It's me, Omotari, your moto guy with good vibes.
Marhaba, I am Ashraf from Yemen. We are here to learn each other language.
Let's see who learns faster. Ashraf, ready?
Hiya.
Yalla. So first word is Murakoze. Thank you. Repeat
Murakoze.
it.
Yes, I know, of course,
Uh-huh.
this word, Murakoze.
MashaAllah.
Murakoze meza, or
Uh-huh.
like these things, I think, yes.
MashaAllah. So you got it right.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Now I teach you watch in Arabic.
Uh-huh.
There is many words, like shukran, tislam. Say tislam.
Tislam.
Tislam, this
Tislam.
new word for you, I
It's
think.
new word for
Yes.
me. I didn't know that.
This. We
Tislam?
use this, tislam. Yes.
Tislam or shukran.
Yes, you speak Arabic now.
Yes.
Yes.
MashaAllah. So the next Kinyarwanda word is Witkwande.
Witkwande. What's the meaning Witkwande?
The meaning is what is your name?
What is your name? In Yemen we say in Asr al-Arab. The Yemen is Asr al-Arab يعني أيش اسمك.
ايش اسمك.
أيش اسمك.
Yes. ايش اسمك.
أيش اسمك. Yes, like this.
So another word
yes.
in Kinyarwanda is Nishimie Guhura Nawe. Try to repeat
this
it.
Is one word.
Yeah. It's like a sentence, a small one. Nishimie Guhura Nawe. Nishimie Guhura Nawe.
What's the meaning?
It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. That's great.
What is it in Arabic?
In Arabic, تشرفت بمعرفتك.
تشرفت
أو
بمعرفتك.
سعيد بلقائك.
ما شاء الله. سعيد بلقائك.
سعيد بلقائك.
سعيد بلقائك. تشرفت بمعرفتك.
Yes.
ما شاء الله.